Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an error message that says on insufficient system resources exits to complete the API, and this is that this device cannot start code 10 error. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Run as administrator. Click on S. Check my description for this command guys. Copy the command. Tap this bar and eject and paste it. Press enter. Troubleshooting and helps prevent computer problems, hardware and devices. You want to select advanced, apply repair automatically and go next. You want to click enable automatically check for a newest drivers or Windows update when a new device and installed. Click here. Windows update configuration is not installed, drivers fixed guys. You want to click here as and close the troubleshooter, and you want to next command, you want to type here sfc space slash SCANNOW, press enter. Being verification phase of system scan, this 1% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it. After finishing this 100%, go ahead and restart your PC. You should good to go guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful for you. Thank you.